Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 9th of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty close negative at 19,512.35. Down minus 141.15, long unwind seen with OI minus 1,073 contracts. Banknifty close negative at 43,886.5, down minus 474.1, short buildup seen with OI 2,641.8 contracts. Index option buildups. Nifty option buildups. October 12, 2023 expiry. Nifty resistance or call OI buildup at 19,800, OI up 96.22%. Nifty support or put OI buildup at 19,500, OI up 6.80%. Nifty intraday option buildups. New call writers shifted same at 19,800 from 19,800, new put writers shifted down at 19,200 from 19,500. New put writers moved on downside suggesting bearish setups. Banknifty option buildups. October 11, 2023 expiry. Banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 44,000, OI up 310.32%. Banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 43,800, OI up 39.05%. Banknifty intraday buildups. New call writers shifted same at 44,000 from 44,000. New put writers shifted up at 43,800 from 42,500. New put writers are aggressive suggesting range contraction. Cash market positions. FII today sold 997.76 CR. DII today bought 2,661.27 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 290.3 CR in index futures. Also sold 10,345.04 CR in index option. They sold 547.25 CR in stocks futures. And sold 247.43 CR in stocks option. Total net sold 11,430.02 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 672 long contracts and added 4,123 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 87,819 contracts compared to previous minus 84,368 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII closed 4,849 long contracts and closed 623 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 209,559 contracts compared to previous minus 205,333 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 117,752 call long and added 8,464 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 126,216 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII closed 6,942 put long and added 133,432 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 126,490 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 412,409 contracts compared to previous 427,815 contracts. And net call long is 241,402 contracts compared to previous 257,082 contracts. Option build-ups on short side is more than long side suggest that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position build-ups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching.